Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I would like to talk about how a hybrid corn seeds are made. So you can see here these are different corn plants, and the ones with the tassels, the taller ones, are the male ones, and these smaller ones are the female ones. You can already see that some plants are already infected with the virus, and I'm sorry about the cars, but this was the only way I can make this video. So these female corns are very small, and you can see that the top of them have been cut down. It's because the father and mother lines have to be treated separately, and all these father and mother lines are inbred lines, so it takes 7 generations to make an inbred line. And this is because when you cross 2 inbred lines, the resulting plants will grow much taller and much vigorous because they become heterozygous. So these are small because of the inbreeding depression. That's a technical term, and you can see that the males already shedding their pollen, and the female ones are getting pollinated. And when the pollination is over, you can see that some male plants already started to make a corn cob, and these 2 rows will be totally eliminated. So they will be either cut down at the stem, or they just go through with a roller and they just roll it down to the soil level. So father lines, 2 father rows and 4 mother rows, and these will be harvested sooner than the normal corn would be harvested. And there are also some special rules to make corn seeds, hybrid seeds. So a plot has to be at least 300 meters away from a commercial plot. That's about 1,000 feet, and they have to apply certain technologies, like cutting down the tassels of the females, and eliminate the male lines after pollination. And they also had to be harvested sooner, and you can see that these plants are really small, so they are going to cut them down here, and but it gets a better revenue for a grower. And you can see at the real back, try to zoom in for you, there's a watering system going on, already giving water to the plants, so they need water supplementation to have a good harvest. And they also need some special equipment to cut down the tassels and to roll or cut down the father rows. In Hungary, because we have a law that prohibits planting of GMOs, so genetically modified organisms, some growers are specializing in corn seed production because they can prove 100% that the seeds for sowing are GMO free. So that would be all. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.